what we're doing today is we're actually kind of getting to where the actual engine is going to fit. We will be pushing the engine back a few inches. 3, right?
3 inches.
3 inches. So we're pushing the engine back 3 inches into the firewall, and then we're going to build around it. We're doing that for weight distribution because we are trying to build this like a street race car. So stay tuned, and here we go. You're actually going to get us. You're going to see us go live on Rocking Classic Cars as well. So if you're watching Forefront Customs, you're going to be watching Rocking Classic Cars, and if you're watching Rocking Classic Cars, you're going to be watching Forefront Customs. Once again, I'm Don P, and welcome to the Forefront Hot Rod Show. What's up, man?
Not much. Checking in on you. Looks like you're getting some progress going.
Yeah, we finally got some progress going. Let me tell you about SEMA, man. Wow, dude, SEMA's. Thank you, Lord, for letting me go to SEMA, man. Thank you, James, SuperTech, and Alito for inviting me, man. That was super awesome. I've never experienced anything like that before. And let me tell you, brother, we got to meet some incredible, intelligent, creative minds there. Let me kick this slide on for a second so they know that we're going live in the office. There we go. That works. Okay. Right on, man. So what we're doing today is we're taking this 289 and we're going to push it back 3 inches. Now, we have a coilover suspension from Scott's Customs that we ordered, and so we got our towers cut out. And today we're mocking up exactly where this engine is going to be setting for the lifespan of the vehicle. Now, we are planning on this car having this engine. However, whoever buys the vehicle, and if they want to put a different engine in it, we can do the modifications for that. This car is built for sale. I mean, I'm sure James and Jody are going to drive for a second because it's a cool car.
I'm sure.
Yeah, man, we also have a custom, I'm coming up with a custom convertible top for it as well.
Nice.
So something the world's never seen before. And it's kind of like a James Bond type thing, man, so I got to kind of keep it hush-hush. But however, today that's what we're doing. Mocking up where the motor mounts are going to go. We'll be welding to the frame itself. And then just kind of going from there.
Just kind of zoom in on it a little bit. Show
Sure, man. Sure. Take your time. Take your time. We got old Wolfman Greg over there. That's the mad scientist in this one.
Mad scientist.
Mad scientist, man. And I think I'm just, I'm the hype guy. I'm just like, hey, man. What's up, man? Yeah, we can do it. Let's do it.
I'm just a camera guy.
So
looking good though.
Yeah, it's coming along pretty good, man. We had to take a break from it for a little bit, because we have other vehicles come in. But now it's getting closer to where we can actually jump back up on it and kind of knock it out. This is the last thing. Once we do this, man, we can finish all the body work, and
then it starts moving pretty quick.
Then it moves. It moves awesome, really fast. Man. Yeah. I got to custom build the grill and then finish out the plate right here. So all this will be Frenched in headlights, Frenched in bumper, and then our grill is going to be pretty amazing. Nice. Wait till you see the ideas that we have for the horse. We're thinking of a holographic.
Oh, that'd be cool.
I don't want to give too many ideas out there because I'm trying to do it to where it's something cool and unique.
Oh yeah.
So it's going to be like a 1966 model, futuristic, awesome, off the charts, something you've never seen before. I know a lot of people say that, but this is actually going to be a lot of custom built panels for it.
How about the transmission? Is it standard or automatic?
What is the size of transmission we're going in that, Greg?
It's got a 5-speed Tremec that we're putting in it.
Cool.
Transmission.
Wow.
Yeah, so
standard.
So you'll be able to cut and get,
And you're putting a new suspension in here too, right?
Yes.
Is that right?
Yeah, coilover suspension. Yeah. I'll show you the parts.
I think we had talked about that before, but it's been a while.
So these are your Still in the package, baby. It's still in the
yeah.
package, man.
Wow, nice. Wow.
Yeah, I want to keep everything as clean as possible, man. That way when you pull them out and we do like the cool videos, you can still pull them out of the package and they're just nice and pretty. Look at how that looks, man. The finish on these coilovers are amazing.
Just to be on the safe side.
Well, that's sharp looking.
Yeah, man. Really cool. There's not even any fingerprints on it yet, so that's real cool. I tell everybody, wear your gloves, man.
Got to keep it looking good.
You gotta keep it looking good, man. Yeah, so we're excited. Like I said, it's finally getting down to where Greg's kind of mocking everything up, and then I can go in there and build some new panels.
That's good, man.
Oh, you got us up on the TV over there too. That's kind of cool.
Yeah, there it is.
Yeah, we're building cardboard motor mounts right now.
Yeah.
Well, that's awesome. I know it's been a while since we
Fully
talked about
built
it.
cardboard motor
Yeah,
mounts.
fully built. Custom, fully built.
Custom built.
Custom built cardboard motor mount. That's the way they ought to sit, right?
What's going on, Ethan? I'm Don P. This is Forefront Customs. Welcome to the Forefront Hot Rod Show. You're actually watching it live on Rocking Classic Cars. If you would like to share, like, and subscribe, that would be amazing. It'll help feed the algorithm, and more people can come on and check out and see what we do on this channel. We are located in Aledo, Texas, at a company called SuperTech, and SuperTech sponsors Forefront Customs. So on that side of the building, through the doors right there, that's SuperTech, and on this side it's Forefront. Let me get back on here. Oh, once again, I would like you guys to, if you could, like, share, and subscribe to Rocking Classic Cars, and come by and see us at SuperTech, man. We're right here in Aledo. I mean, we do everything.
You're in Willow Park.
Willow Park? Willow Park, I'm sorry. I keep telling people it's Aledo, but I mean,
Yeah, it's Aledo, Willow Park.
Aledo's right here, Willow Park's like right here. A cool place to come to. Environment's, wow, amazing. The technicians here are very intelligent technicians, can figure out anything under the sun.
And you got some cool projects going on.
We got some real cool projects, man. You can check out on the Forefront side. And it's just like the name. We're always on the forefront and trying to figure out the new technology, the new way to do things, and even coming up with a new. That's something that we like to do.
And we'll be checking back in with you from time to time as they're making progress, kind of keep people posted.
Definitely.
But you can also watch Dominic on his YouTube channel, Forefront Customs.
Yeah, man.
He posts shorts almost daily about what's going on.
Yeah. You want to see the 36 Hudson, how that's coming out?
Sure.
Walk over here with me. So I'll be welding in. That's just surface for us right now because it's been setting so I can get these other vehicles out. So I'll weld all that ram horn right there, and then I got all that done.
A lot of manual labor there.
That's a lot of hammering, man. That's a lot of hours.
Wow. Looks good though.
Yeah, definitely.
That's awesome.
Yeah, the other company that sent this to us is pretty ecstatic about it. They're like, man, we got some more work for you.
That's
I
good.
said, bring it on. Anything's a challenge. I love a challenge.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, man. But I guess that's all she wrote for the day.
That's it for the moment, but we'll be checking back in with you.
Definitely.
We're kind of behind on it a little bit.
Yeah. We'll get caught up on it. Sorry that it's taken so long to make another video, but now we're back in the gears of things, so we'll start cutting teeth. Thank you for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe to Rocking Classic Cars, and we'll see you on the flip side.